Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I will basically show you how you can upload files to our Node.js server. And basically for this purpose we will be using the Multer library in Node.js and Express. Multer is very popular library guys, very popular package in Node.js. If you just search Multer npm, this is the very first link which comes here. And npm I Multer, this is very simple, and almost 4 million downloads, weekly downloads are there. So we will use this package in order to actually upload files. This can be images, videos, any sort of files that you want to upload inside your application. So for initializing this project, we will simply go to our root directory. I will make a new directory which is upload file. I will cd into that, and then I will open our VS Code inside upload file and open it inside VS Code. So right here guys, we will initialize our package.json file npm init-5, and now we need to install Express Multer. So these two packages are required for this project guys, Express and Multer. Simply enter, and we will basically be making a index.js file. So right inside index.js file guys, we will actually start writing the code. We will actually make a new Express server. We will say require, we will require it Express, and then we will also require the Multer package by requiring it Multer. And then we will make a new Express app by using const app express. We will listen this on port number 3000, and we will simply say in the callback that app is listening on port 3000, like this. And now guys, in Multer library we need to first of all make a public folder wherever you need to store the files. We will make a public folder. Inside that we will make a uploads folder. First of all, let me make an index.html file right here. Let me delete this. So inside public folder we will make an index.html file, and right inside this we will have a uploads directory where we will actually store all the files which will be uploaded in the server. This will be a simple HTML form where we will actually allow the user to select a file, and inside we will actually load that. We will make this directory as static. So we will say express.static public. So what this means guys, we are basically making this directory as public. Express.static public simply means this public directory will be static. We will be, once we go to localhost 3000, it will automatically load this HTML file. So we will say hello world, and if I cross check here, if I run this Node.js server, you will see that if I go to localhost 3000, it will actually print out hello world. You will see that. And now we need to inside configure the Multer. Now to configure Multer guys, basically we need to have a storage object. We need to tell the Multer library where to store the files. So inside Multer we have a disk storage method. Either we can store it in the memory, or we can store it inside a disk physically space. We will be storing it in a disk. Here it takes destination, wherever you need to store it. It takes a callback function, request, file, callback. These three things are there. And now we will simply call this callback function. We will provide the null as the first argument, and then the directory structure wherever you need to store the file. Here we are to store the file, so we are providing the full path here, public/uploads. So we will be storing this inside the uploads directory. We are actually providing the path here, publics_uploads. This is the thing right here. After we do that guys, we will put a comma, and the second parameter it takes is file name. So what file name it will be assigning to the uploaded file. So again it takes request, file, callback as three arguments, and then we again call callback function null, and then we will give unique name to every time the file will be uploaded. So date.now plus And here we need to use the path module, which is a built-in module in Node.js. So simply require that. So require path, and simply here we will simply use the path module, path dot extension name, and here we will simply say file dot original name. That's all. So every time the file will be uploaded in public slash uploads, this will date dot now every time returns a random value, random date. So the file name will be random. So now we now need to add the make the new object of this configuration. So we will call the Multer constructor, guys. So where we are importing Multer. So this Multer constructor takes one property as storage. So we will initialize it to the storage that we have defined here, which contains two properties, destination and file name. That's all. So this is now our upload middleware, which is ready. Now we can make this middleware, we can pass it to any request. For that, we need to go to index.html, and right here we will actually make a simple form. HTML form it will be, and every form contains the action attribute. So wherever this will go once you submit the form, so it will go to slash upload, and this method will be post. And inside the form, guys, we also need to give it an encoding type. So whenever you are uploading a media file, we need to give it an encoding type. Multi-part form data, it's mandatory, necessary, you need to give it. Inside the form element, we have an input file, input type file, and name parameter will be file, and it should be required, validated. User must upload a file before submitting the form. And then after that, we will have a button type of submit, and we will simply say upload file. That's all. The button text upload file. If you just refresh now, there will be a simple form available where the user will upload the file. So now when we are basically making this request slash upload a post request, so we need to basically write this app dot post slash upload, and we will basically pass this middleware, guys, in between request response. So you can pass middleware in between request. So whenever user hit this endpoint, this middleware will execute first. Now to execute this, we can simply call here upload dot. So this is the thing, guys, in Multer. If you want to upload multiple files, we have a method for that also, which is array. But for the time being, we only need to upload a single file. So we need to upload a single file. And inside the input element, we need to give it a name parameter. We have given the name parameter. If you see, we have given a name parameter called as file. So this exact name parameter, we will be using it inside the server side code here. We will provide a file. And after that, once the file is uploaded, you can simply print out the name of the uploaded file. You will say if request.file, you can console log request.file.path, and the path request.file, it will contain various properties about destination, field name, file name. So these two properties I will console log once the file is uploaded. So just check, guys, if I try to upload any media file, go to documents and try to upload this file, let's suppose, click on upload file. So nothing happens here, but if you see in the console, this directory structure is uploaded, is console log, this is the file name. So I think, let me check if you can see that. So now the file is uploaded, guys, in the server, and you can see basically it is stored inside public slash uploads, and this is the actual file name. So you can see that. So we are actually uh, successfully uploaded this file, and if you see, it is available in the physical directory structure upload file public uploads. So in this way you can select, basically you can now pass this file. So now it will contain two images, you will see that. So one other image has been uploaded. So in this easy way, guys, you can upload images to local web server in Express and Node.js using Multer library. And thanks very much, guys, for watching this live stream. Uh, Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. And in the upcoming videos, guys, I will show you how actually you can upload multiple files or multiple field names in Multer It's a versatile library. You can check out the documentation about Multer. Go to npmjs.com and you can check out the documentation. It is a huge library and it contains a lot more features. And I will be discussing it in the next incoming live stream. So thank you very much.